Hey, what's up YouTube? Olsen Bro here with another review, and today we're taking a look at a couple more iPhone X cases. These two were sent to me from Anstop. They are a less expensive iPhone case. You know, they're pretty decent quality, and they sent me two different versions here. So there's two of them. This one says iPaky on it, so it's the iPaky version. Let's start with this one since it has a name. If I can open it.
You just need to be strong.
Oh. Leave it to the muscles.
This is a nice case. It's got like rope. I mean like nice case.
Box.
Case for the case. Box for the case. Yeah.
Okay, we'll open this thing up. And yeah, nice case for the case, as Kate put it. This feels like a two-piece case. You have a top part.
What?
And a bottom part. And it comes with, I don't know if it's a tempered glass. Oh, it comes with a tempered glass, which is a great add-on. Has a little package of wipes and things so you can put on the screen properly. We won't do that right now, as well as some instructions for it. Right now we're just gonna put on this, we're just gonna try out the case here. So it's two pieces, very minimalist, very thin, if you can see that. I'll do a close-up. And it's got kind of a, I don't know, rubbery feel, but it is harder, as well as this little piece. Very delicate. This looks like a very delicate piece. We'll take this iPhone X dummy that I have here, that is the correct dimensions, and we'll put it on the bottom piece first. So there we go, it lines up perfectly with the camera and a circle around the Apple logo. And then we will put this on. And if experience tells me anything, we just snap it into place. Let's see. So very simple, but it is very minimalist. It's a small case. You know, it covers just enough. It does go just past the camera cutout, which is nice, so you don't hit it. And on the front, it has a lip. And I bet you the tempered glass kind of fits just right into this. It'll fit right on top. Not bad. All the cutouts are there, lined up good. Once you get it all connected correctly, you can reach the toggle button, no problem. Good feedback. What do you think? What do you think of that case?
I think like if you're looking for protection, I don't know how this would. I mean, it seems pretty sturdy, but I mean like, and with the tempered glass, it could be different, but I don't know. It's really slim.
It is
slim.
slim.
I don't really like it that much.
You don't like it slim? I like it. I like slim cases.
Yeah, me too. I just like it. Just seems too slim.
Too slim. You know, it'll definitely protect you from scratches and bumps and that kind of thing. I don't know as far as a big drop how it will do, but it gives the impression that it's protected. I just know how thin it was because I just put it together. But if you looked at it, you think, oh, it looks kind of beefy. So it definitely comes up above. This coverage above the cameras here is unique. I haven't seen one like that yet. So it has cutouts for each of the little cameras on the top right there. Yeah, it's kind of unique. I believe this one is, it's only 11 bucks on Amazon. So very inexpensive case, something you might consider. All right, this is the other one. I'm not exactly sure which model this is, but we will open it up and find out.
Can I open it?
Yeah, please open that up. Can you open it? That's the question.
Yes, I can. It's already opened.
Ah, it's a wallet.
Yeah.
It's a leather?
Yeah, it's leather.
Leather wallet, portfolio style case. All right, so let's check this one out. I'll put a couple cards in here. Actually, before we do that, let's put the phone in it. What do you say?
Yeah.
So just a quick recap. I don't know, it feels like leather.
It smells.
It could be synthetic, probably depends on the price point. Yeah, it's probably synthetic leather, but it looks nice. It's got a decent look to it. This latch is magnetized, which is great. Keeps it held closed. And if you flip it around, let's see, will it? No, it doesn't grab on the back side. All right, let's slide in the iPhone X right here. So it fits in nicely. All the cutouts are there, as you can see. You know, not a bad case, not a bad feel to it. What do you think?
Feels good. Feels like it's got quite a good grip. Let's put some cards in there.
All right, let's try them out.
There's 2 card slots. That's good. Pretty good.
You know.
And then there's some right here for cash, and then there's, I don't know, just extra pots right there.
Yeah, not bad. Let's see it, man. So you can slide in, and it has a little thumb spot potentially to push up. My card's too slippery, apparently. Looks like you could slide more cards in there. I have 2 in one slot. You know, 2 in the other slot, no problem. Let's see, 3 in the other slot. I think you can fit quite a few cards. Kind of depends on how thick you want this to be on the front, right? But because it has that magnetic clasp, it'll hold it securely. Not bad. I don't usually, you know, carry a case like this that has, what do you call it, a portfolio style case. But they are convenient if you don't want to carry a wallet. It also, you know, I wish this was magnetized on the back somehow. It'll just sit up there. But you have the different viewing angles like that. You can sit and watch a movie, watch a YouTube video. That's a built-in kickstand. Not bad. I'll put a link in the description when I find out exactly what the name of this thing is and how much it costs. But there will be a link below. Very cool. Any comments, questions, put it in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe,
And share.